everybody, back at it. Still trying to get on that top water bite. We got some wind today, but we're waiting, so that's cool. And let's see what we can do. There's bait, there is some wind, we can deal with that. Let's see if there's some big mamas hanging around. Takers on top water, so give old Corky a try. There. Striking out, we're going with plastic slayer. Nice and sparkling. There we go. Try a different color. Oh yeah. Ooh wee. Oh, that's a good one. Ha ha. Adios. Hey everybody, thanks for tagging along. It was a slow day. We got an east-northeast wind blowing pretty good. I think the barometric pressure rose a little bit. It was slow, through top water, Corky, a few plastics, caught a few fish. Always good to get out of the house. Thanks for watching. See you next time.